just wanna see, I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you.
Hi you guys, it's Misha and you're watching another episode of Cooking with Misha. Today I'm going to bring a recipe to you guys that is an all-time favorite. It is Alfredo sauce. Who doesn't love shrimp Alfredo, chicken Alfredo? So I'm going to show you a very simple, easy way to make the Alfredo sauce. You don't have to buy the jars anymore. You can put your own seasonings, how much garlic you want, anything in there, and it's very, very simple. So we're going to start now. Okay, you guys, so I have 6 cloves of garlic. I'm gonna leave the recipe for half of this recipe. If you have a smaller family and you don't need this big pot like me, but yes, you're gonna saute this for about a minute. Let it get brown. And this is very, very easy. As soon as the butter is melted, milk and everything comes to a boil, it is done. This is 2 sticks of butter. If you're making it in half, you would just use 1 stick of butter. I'm telling you, this is so very, very quick. So I know you guys don't want to leave your milk out the fridge, but I left my butter out for about 30 minutes to an hour before I made this recipe, just so it could be room temperature. So I'm going to add 4 cups of heavy whipping cream. If you're making this in half, once again, you just use 2 cups. Just split it in half. So you'll use 1 stick of butter and you'll use 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. So we're just gonna bring this to a boil. Once we bring this to a boil, okay, I almost forgot. You can use white pepper if you guys would like. I'm using ground black pepper, but you can use white pepper if you want it the same color. And also I'm using my sea salt. And then also, if you're making it in half, you can use a little bit under a cup, like 3/4 to a cup. This is 1.5 cups, and I'm going to use the whole bag of Parmesan cheese. Parmesan cheese. So if you want, you can mix the other Parmesan, like that you put on spaghetti that comes in a bottle. You can mix that in with this, but please use the real Parmesan cheese. And I'm also going to put that cheese at the end. So I'm going to actually have both of them. You're going to see my fully cooked dish in a minute. And I'm also going to add more parsley at the end when I'm done too. Okay, you guys, well, this concludes my video for my homemade Alfredo sauce. I hope you guys love it just as much as I loved cooking it for you guys. So if you guys like my videos, make sure to like it. Make sure to push the notification button at the side if you want to see my videos as soon as they come out. Please share it, and I'll be back with you guys with a new video in about a week. Have a good night.